video, we are going to see important events in December. On December 6, we conducted a social essay for the class 1st standard to 9th standard. Our exam method was conducted for the class LKG to 10th standard on 9th to 10th December. On December 13th, we organized solid combination from 1st standard to 9th standard. Students eagerly participated. We celebrated Christmas on 23rd December in our school with great joy. Thank you.